Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Imagine uploading 20 research papers into one AI tool and then asking questions about all of them at once. Instead of opening every PDF separately, searching for findings, and taking endless notes, you can use NotebookLM to work with your own research sources. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use NotebookLM for research, from uploading papers to comparing studies, finding themes, and creating useful research notes. Let's get started. First, what exactly is NotebookLM? Think of it as an AI research assistant that can work with the sources you provide. You can add documents and then ask questions based on those sources. This makes it particularly useful when you're working with a collection of research papers, reports, notes, or other documents. Start by creating a new notebook for your research project. Give it a clear name based on your research topic. For example, let's create a notebook called AI-Powered Recruitment and Employee Trust. Now let's add our research papers. Upload the relevant PDFs and other supported sources you want to analyze. Don't just upload random papers. Select studies that are directly connected to your research question. Now comes the interesting part. Instead of reading each paper separately, ask a question that requires information from multiple sources. For example, what are the major findings across these studies? NotebookLM can help you explore the information contained in your uploaded sources. Another useful task is summarization. You can use NotebookLM to help you understand the main points of your sources. Focus on important elements such as research objectives, methodology, findings, and limitations. But remember, an AI summary should help you read more efficiently. It shouldn't replace reading important sections of the original paper. This is one of my favorite research applications. Ask NotebookLM to compare different studies. For example, compare the methodologies and findings of these studies. You can then organize the results into a research matrix. When you're working on a literature review, identifying themes is extremely important. Ask, what are the common themes across these studies? You might discover themes related to technology adoption, employee trust, recruitment effectiveness, candidate experience, or organizational factors. Now let's move to one of the most important parts of research, the research gap. You can ask, what areas appear underexplored across these sources? NotebookLM can help you identify patterns, limitations, and areas that may deserve further investigation. But don't simply accept an AI-generated gap. Go back to the original papers and verify whether the gap is actually supported by the literature. Another powerful use is creating a literature matrix. Ask NotebookLM to help you organize the studies according to variables, methods, samples, findings, and limitations. This can make your literature review process much more organized. Don't stop after asking one question. Use follow-up questions to dig deeper. For example, which studies disagree with each other? What methodological limitations are repeated? Which variables appear most frequently? What future research directions are suggested? You can also use your sources to create structured study notes. For example, ask for a concise research briefing covering the major theories, findings, methodologies, and limitations. This is particularly useful when you have a large number of papers to review. Another interesting feature is the ability to turn your source material into an audio-style overview when available in your NotebookLM version. This can be useful when you want to review your research concepts while taking a break from reading. But again, treat it as a supplementary learning tool, not a replacement for the original sources. Here's where the workflow becomes even more powerful. Use NotebookLM to work with your source material and understand the literature. Then you can use ChatGPT to help organize your verified notes, improve structure, develop research questions, or refine your academic writing. The key is to keep your sources and evidence at the center of the process. Before you start using AI for research, remember these 5 rules. Number 1, always use credible sources. Number 2, verify important claims against the original papers. Number 3, don't blindly copy AI-generated text. Number 4, check citations and references carefully. And number 5, use your own critical thinking when identifying research gaps or interpreting findings. So here's the complete NotebookLM research workflow. First, collect relevant papers. Upload them into your notebook. Ask questions across your sources. Summarize and compare studies. Identify themes and potential gaps. Create a literature matrix. Then, use your verified findings to support your research writing. And that's how you can use NotebookLM to make your research workflow more organized and efficient. If you're a bachelor's, master's, MPhil, or PhD student, save this video and try the workflow with your own research papers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another research student. In the next video, we'll explore another powerful AI workflow for academic research. Thanks for watching.